A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is our English language class, and we are going to begin with a new lesson today, a very new topic, negative sentences. Children, as the name itself tells you, negative. Negative means a sentence which are used to express the negative expressions in case of daily acts, events, speeches, and so on. Children, in negative sentences, usually the word not or no is there. Okay, these sentences gives a negative expression, a negative impression. Okay, like you have positive sentences and negative sentences. Positive means something good. Negative means the sentences which has no, never, not, these words in it. For example, I do not want to visit the place as soon as possible. You can see the word not here. We didn't get the message few days ago from John. Didn't, children. Didn't is a contracted form of did and not. Did and not, these two words are together written as didn't. Okay? Yes. So these are negative sentences, children, which has some negative expressions. Contains the words no, not, never, none. These type of words are there in a sentence. Alright? Now children, you need to know this, that in a negative sentence, as I told you, not is there. Okay? Children, a word, a helping verb and not. These two words are written together in a contracted, in a short form. Okay, like you can see here in front of you, children, I am not. Okay, so I am not becomes I apostrophe am not. You've studied about apostrophes in possessive nouns, children. You are going to use those apostrophes here also in contracted forms, in short forms. All right, like he, she, it is not. We, you, they are not. Children, you know this, that he, she, it are singular subjects, so we use is as a helping verb with it, and we, you, they are plural subjects, so we use are as a helping verb with it. Okay, so he is not is written as he isn't. Is not is written together as isn't. Alright, so you can see he isn't, she isn't, it isn't. Similarly, are not. Are not. These are two different words. Are is a helping verb. No, not shows negative sentence. So these two words are together in a contracted form, in a short form, written as aren't. A-R-E-N. You have to remove O. You have to remove O from the word not. Put apostrophe and put T. Okay. We are going to see more of such examples. I work. I do not work. Do not will become don't. Children, you can see from not, you are removing the letter O, and instead of O, you are putting an apostrophe. So do not becomes don't. Similarly, does not becomes doesn't. Alright, let us see more. They aren't used to it. Children, aren't is a contracted or short form of are not. Similarly, there isn't much to tell. Is not. Hopefully, she wasn't offended. Was not. We weren't prepared for the quiz. Were not. I don't speak Spanish. I do not. Alright, children. So, these are the contracted forms of a helping verb along with not. Alright. Today in this class, we are only going to focus on the contracted forms, where you have a helping verb plus not with it. Let us see some more examples from the book. The following negative contractions, verb plus not, helping verb plus not, are generally used in the English language. Like am not becomes amn't, A-M-N-O-T. You can see, children, you have removed O from not and put an apostrophe and T to it. Is not becomes isn't, are not becomes aren't, was not wasn't, were not weren't, have not haven't, has not hasn't, had not hadn't, do not don't, does not doesn't, did not didn't, will not, won't, would not, wouldn't, shall not, shan't, should not, shouldn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, must not, mustn't. Now children, you all know that when you are supposed to use which helping verb, you know that in present tense, when the sentence is in present tense and singular subject, we use am is used with I as a subject, is and are used with singular subject. Was and were are used with past tense sentences, was with singular subject, were with plural subject. So similarly children, wherever you are using, wherever you are using the particular helping verb along with not, instead of writing the full forms, we can use the short forms also in a sentence, the contracted forms. Children, you will be able to understand it all the more better when you will practice some exercises based on it. And you all know you need to revise English language every day. You need to practice it every day, just like you do in maths. Alright? So we will be discussing this in the class. We'll do the book exercises. I'll give you some extra exercises. We'll practice it, as practice makes the man perfect. Right, children? So more things are there in this topic, negative sentences, which we will see in our next class. For today, you need to learn and understand the contracted forms. Please practice children. Watch the video again and again if you need to. And then I'll see you in the live class. Have a nice day children. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.